A very delightful good afternoon to one and all present here, Honorable Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, the Chief Guest, faculty members and my dear friends. Today I am Sneha, student of BBA-KU First SAM is here to present a short speech on the most concerning topic, that is global warming. And in this speech, I gonna conclude three things: reason, impact and a way ahead. Before starting my speech, I would like to show something to you all. This painting is made by me and this painting shows that how human hands are destroying the global warming day by day. How we selfish human beings are destroying the global warming. The biggest threat to our planet Earth is that someone else will save it. But we have to do. Now I am going to start my speech, global warming. Global warming is an international phenomenon where the Earth's surface mean is destroying by the human hands. Day by day, we all are seeing that how human hands are destroying the global warming. The sources of greenhouse gases caused by natural and man-made such as forest fire, industrialization, burning of fossil fuels, burning of agricultural crops, etc. Global warming is forced by human beings. Global warming is not a recent phenomenon. It has been increased and improved since ancient due to industrialization, burning, population explosion, agricultural explosion, and the ever-increasing growth for economic conditions. Global warming did exist hundreds of years back, but it has been increased mostly in the most recent days. Let me mention few of the impacts of global warming that we have seen in the year 2020. It is causing due to the rainfall. Day by day, we all are seeing that due to deforestation, due to cutting down of trees, we are affected. So due to landslides and other conditions. So now I would like to conclude my global warming speech by saying that the international community, government and society and the citizens has to take steps to stop this. Otherwise the time will be there when nothing will be left than regret, So thank you. Have a nice day.